Here's the problem number 10, and in this problem we have to design a URL shortener. So basically we will have a function which will take an input of URL, and just by giving this URL just generate a new short URL. So for this we will use a dictionary, and dictionary will be designed in the following manner. The long URL, the given URL will be always used for a key of a dictionary, and the short URL will be the short URL generated within this function. So if we have already the URL that is being passed to the function in our dictionary, we'll just return the value using the given URL. We will search in a dictionary as a key value and return always a value of the dictionary. If we don't have that URL in our dictionary, we'll just put it into our dictionary. So how it's gonna look like? So here's the function which will always return a string of a short URL. I will call it short URL method. So passing argument will be also string. So passing will be always the long URL. Here we will declare a dictionary. String I will call just a dic new dictionary string. So after that I will declare another string which will contain just characters for generating a new short URL. I will call it short string source. So by using the characters from this string, we will generate a new short URL. So in this short string URL, it will consist of characters of all letters, English letters, just lowercase, and all letters uppercase, and all digits. So also I will need a string builder, just in order to use a string builder in my URL generator, since it could be modified rather than the stringer itself. So here I will just use checkers, just if I have long URL as a null in my input, or long URL is empty string, I will use string empty method. So I'll just return empty. After that I will check if we have such URL in our dictionary. So I will say, and the URL argument will be checked as a key value. So if our dictionary contains long URL, I will just return dictionary and long URL as a hashing value. If not, I will use for loop just to generate a new short URL. So I will run from I0 to until I will be equal to 5, incrementing I always by 1, and will be appending new values to my string builder, and values I will be taking from my short string source. So from my short string source I will always take just one character, and for that I will be using the indexing of the string. And here as an index, let me write it here, I will use a random class of a system namespace. So random next method, and in next method for indexing I will use from 0 to 61 because we have 61 characters, not 61 but 62 characters in this string. And for indexing, since we will need to generate take one character from this string, we will generate index from 0 to 61, and each time the function will take some random character from short string source and append to my string builder. And after that I will just add newly generated string build to my dictionary, and long URL will be used as a key, while for value I will use something like http url.com/plus string builder converted to string. So at the end I will just return the value from dictionary. So that's it. Time complexity, it's like a number of operations. So if we have, in worst case, if we don't have a URL in our dictionary, we will have 6 number of operations. So it's like order of 1 and space complexity if we are using dictionary. So it will be also order of 1.